Howdy folks, Kirk and Jay here with Kirk, Giordano, Plastering. Today, I want to go over a topic I did about 2 years ago. It's a scratcher. Now with that scratcher video, man, I got a lot of questions that I didn't think of when I did that video. Anyway, this is a scratcher. I've been in the trade since I was 20. I'm going on 59 next month. That's over 40 years. Anyway, I've never heard anybody call this by its proper name. Scarifier. Like, oh, that fire is blazing, it's scary. Scarifier, S-C-A-R-I-F-I-E-R. Why? Because it's a stupid name. But if you type in and folks say, Kirk, I can't find the scratcher. Well, I did my own search and I typed in scratcher and it showed people scratching themselves like if they had fleas, or it showed lottery tickets, or it showed those things that cats scratch. So this, you'll never find it if you type in scratcher. Type in Scarifier. Now what I generally do, when I worked union, we were fast with these things. I would tape them prior. And what that means is just like this. We'd start our day, I'd put the groove where I want it, come back over it with the tape. And this way it kind of gives me an idea of the depth. Now you can scratch anywhere between an 1/8 to say a 1/2 inch if you want. Now that's sealed. That gives me an idea of where I want the depth. It's kind of like working inside. If you worked inside years and years ago, or you're redoing old lath and plaster, the old cedar lath, it's spaced about 3/8 of an inch apart, and so the plaster, it goes through those keys and it mushrooms on the back. Well, what we're doing here is not going to go through any keys, nor is it going to mushroom through the back, but it is going to set in the keys, and that forms a mechanical bond, actually quite stronger than, say, a bonding agent. And here's all you do, guys. You're going to go horizontal. Now the question that was asked of me was, hey Kirk, when I see guys who are showing in the UK or other places that the scratch marks are wavy and or vertical. Now guys, here's what I've been taught. Now some people will do like this, and notice that tape is stopping it so it's not too thick. If you want to make pretty designs like this, guys, I don't think that's any harmful. But the idea is to scratch it horizontally. Here, that tape acts as a guide, so I don't have to take a sponge float. And by the way, what you can't see is the fact that we've just put about 1.5 inches of mud on this, and it's already setting because it is a really hot day. But to keep moving on and explain a couple things as far as the directions of a scratch mark and the proper terminology to find these guys here. In our description, in almost every video, we have Amazon site. You just click on that. I knew that was going to happen. All right, guys. Lost my earpiece. Anyway, in our description in every video we do, you can just click on the link there and it shows you the best ones to buy at the best prices. One important thing is that folks don't realize unless you're in the trade is hydration. When this sets for 2 days, of course we do same day stuff, we're going to do this wall today, but if it sets for you homeowners in 2 days, now you hydrate it, you soak it. You soak it so much that the water stops absorbing and it just runs off. Then you put your new stucco over the existing stucco. It goes in between these scratch marks. That creates a mechanical bond, a natural mechanical bond between a porous stucco and a new stucco that they just together absorb together. You have no stronger bond than that. Not even any of the bonding agents. And besides, the bonding agents are used for putting stucco or concrete over painted surfaces. Right now, this is not a painted surface. We're going over wire. So as we go over the wire, it's important to know why, how, and do's and don'ts and things of that nature. We're about to take lunch. Then we're going to come back and put our second coat on this, but that's advanced stuff, guys. One last thing. When I worked union, just to prove a point, okay, now say this wall was like this. I'd kill time and I'd go in big. I mean, I was walking between scaffold and you can't really see that, but it says USA. I remember the guy saying, all right, man, who's doing all this USA crap? The idea is get some lines on there. That way, when your mechanical bond, your next coat goes on it, it absorbs in those grooves. So it's not so critical, guys, whether or not you're going wavy or you're going exactly horizontal, man. It's not that super important, but I say go horizontal, never go vertical. Anyway, guys, I thought I'd explain that because we've had a lot of questions on it. And remember, if you're going to type it in on Google, to say the right word, Scarifier, S-C-A-R-I-F-I-E-R, something like that. Anyway, we thank you for watching, and as usual, we'll see you guys on the next one.
By the way, folks, my dad and I are now members of Amazon affiliates, so if you're looking to buy any of the plastering or construction tools you've seen in our videos and you want to support us in the process, you can check the links below our video, or you can go to our website and get them there. If you have any other questions for tools we don't have linked, email us direct and we'll respond to you then.
Once again, folks, we thank you for watching, and I really enjoy all your comments.
If you guys like this video, please click the like button down below, and also if you enjoy what we do, subscribe to our channel so we can keep making these videos for you.
My name is Kirk.
And Jay.
We thank you for watching, and from the entire Giordano family, we'll see you on the next one.